What's up, guys? Super easy install today. Let's get to it. Alright, so I already loosened them up a little bit, so take your T20 Torx bit, stick it in the up. Remove the cover. I don't know if you had any doubts, but just a solid piece of metal behind there. No fluids. The wife wanted this little vampire lady from Etsy, so we're going to go ahead and throw this puppy on. Alright, so as simple as this install might have been for some of us, I have been told by others that they didn't want to change their timing cover because they didn't want to replace the gasket or any fluids that might leak out of it. And as you can see in this video, it's a solid plate behind the timing cover plate. If you can, do me a favor, like the video, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.